Does a strange smell come from your sink? Your P-trap likely needs cleaning. We'll make it new in 3 steps. We'll eliminate bad odors and leave your P-trap sparkling clean. Get ready for a fresh start. First, prepare by placing a bucket directly underneath the P-trap. This is a crucial initial step. When you loosen it, water and accumulated residue will inevitably come out, so be prepared. Next, carefully loosen the nuts on both sides of the P-trap to detach the tube. This is step 2. Once removed, use a brush to thoroughly scrub the inside of the P-trap and the detached tube. For stubborn grease or scale, hot, soapy water works wonders to break down the grime effectively. Ensure every part is meticulously cleaned until it's free of residue, looking as good as new. Our third step involves checking gaskets and carefully reassembling the P-trap. This prevents future leaks. Inspect the rubber gaskets for dryness, cracks, or damage. Healthy gaskets are flexible and intact. If gaskets are good, reassemble the P-trap, ensuring each connection is perfectly aligned. Gently tighten the nuts by hand first, then use a wrench for a snug, secure fit. With everything reassembled, open the tap and let water run to check for any leaks. Done. No bad odors, no leaks. Your sink is now fresh and fully functional. If you liked the video, subscribe and leave me in the comments how it went with your P-trap.